Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we set pin lock in Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to set guys your phone pin lock password. So how can you set your phone pin lock password today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will tap on guys phone security setting guys. Tap on guys your phone security. Then guys click on guys phone screen lock. Tap here guys, click on guys this pin. We will tap here guys, and first next option guys, tap here and guys we will select guys pin. So I will take guys 1 2 3 4. So I remember your pin guys. If you forget, you will have to reset your phone. So guys confirm friends, you can see guys this pin lock password will set in my Infinix phone device. I can use it. So guys I will enter my pin to unlock my Infinix phone. So like that guys, I can use guys this pin lock setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set pin lock password. So bye.